In today's video, I will show you how to transfer crypto from Binance to the Bitget wallet. For that, you need to launch your Binance mobile application first, then tap on the wallets option in the bottom right hand corner of the screen. Now tap on spot, and over here you just have to select that particular crypto which you want to basically transfer from your Binance account to the Bitget wallet. So let's say I want to transfer Solana, so you just have to simply tap on the crypto, then select the withdrawal option in the bottom right hand corner of the screen. Now select the send via crypto network option, and then you will be landed on this type of page. Now it will ask you to provide the withdrawal address. So in order to get it, you just need to open your Bitget wallet, then tap on the more option on the home page. Now tap on receive, and here you just have to select the same crypto that you have selected in your Binance account, which in my case is Solana. So as you can see that we have Solana based on the Ethereum network, so you just have to simply tap on that, and now you just have to copy the address from here, then come back to your Binance account and paste the address in this address section. In the network, you need to make sure that you select the same network that you have selected in the Bitget wallet account of yours, which in my case is Solana on the Ethereum network, which is the ERC20 network. Now you just have to enter the amount of crypto that you want to transfer, and then tap on the withdraw option in the bottom right hand corner. On the next page, you just have to simply confirm your transaction, and once the confirmation is completed, you will receive your crypto from Binance to your Bitget wallet. If this video helped you out, then don't forget to like the video for more this type of content. Thanks for watching. I see you next time.